Botox has been the gold standard for years, but what if there's a newer, cleaner, and more convenient alternative that might just outperform it? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Meamo channel. Today we are exploring one of the hottest debates in aesthetic medicine, Innotox versus Botox, and both are the botulinum toxins type A products used to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, but they are not quite the same. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or just curious about your treatment options, this breakdown will help you understand what sets them apart, and let's get into it. Formulation and preparation. Botox from Allergan comes as a freeze-dried powder that must be mixed with a saline before injection. While this offers flexibility in dilution, it also requires precision and adds steps to the process. Innotox, on the other hand, is truly next generation. It comes in a pre-mixed liquid form, so there is no need for dilution. That not only saves time in clinical settings, but also reduces dosing errors, especially helpful for beginners or high-volume practices. Storage and convenience. Now let's talk about storage. Botox needs constant refrigeration both before and after dilution. That can be tricky in mobile or smaller clinics where cold chain storage isn't always ideal. Innotox can be stored at a room temperature up to 25 degrees, making it easier to transport and use in a variety of treatment settings without compromising the quality. Ingredients and safety. When it comes to formulation, safety and personal values also come into play. Botox uses human serum albumin as a stabilizer, safe and widely accepted, but it may raise concerns for vegans, allergy-prone individuals, or patients with specific ethical preferences. Innotox avoids this altogether. Its formula is free of human and animal-derived proteins using polysorbate 20 instead. That makes it vegan-friendly, hypoallergenic, and appealing to patients who prefer clean-label injectables. Mechanism of action. Both Innotox and Botox are formulations of botulinum toxin type A, and they work in a similar way, by temporarily blocking the nerve signals that cause muscle contractions. When injected into specific facial muscles, this interruption in nerve activity allows the muscles to relax and to smooth out the overlying skin, reducing the appearance of dynamic wrinkles caused by repeated facial expressions. This includes common treatment areas like forehead lines, crow's feet around the eyes, perioral lines, also known as a smoker's line. Where Innotox stands out is its precise diffusion and ready-to-use liquid form, which gives practitioners a greater control and accuracy during treatments. This can help minimize the risk of affecting nearby muscles. While Botox remains highly effective and well-established, it requires reconstitution and may diffuse more broadly depending on the dilution and technique. For clinics focused on efficiency, precision, and clean, protein-free formula, Innotox offers a modern, practical advantage. Onset and duration. When it comes to results, both are effective, but timing differs slightly. Botox typically starts working within 3 to 5 days, with results peaking around 2 weeks and lasting 3 to 4 months. Innotox may kick in even faster, as early as 2 to 3 days after injection. Many users also report longer-lasting effects, sometimes up to 6 to 8 months, depending on the individual and treatment area. Regulatory status. Botox is FDA approved in the US and has been in use globally for decades, with a strong record of clinical data. Innotox is approved for use in South Korea and several other countries, and it's gaining popularity in international markets. While it's not yet FDA approved in the US, its clean formulation and growing adaptations are driving interest among aesthetic professionals worldwide. So, what's the takeaway? Botox remains a benchmark in aesthetic medicine, but Innotox offers a forward-thinking alternative with the practical advantages in storage, preparation, and formulation. If you're looking for a product that is cleaner, easier to use, and potentially longer-lasting, Innotox is definitely one to watch and one to try. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe to the Meamo channel, and see you in the next video.